Ever try making wraps with yellow lentils? Let me show you how. First, soak your yellow lentils in water for at least 6 hours or overnight. Then, drain and rinse the soaked lentils. Throw them into a blender with curry powder, ground garlic, salt, baking soda, and filtered water. Blend them until smooth and pourable, just slightly thicker than regular crepe batter. Next, cut the seitan into strips and slice the corn kernels off the cob. Pan-fry all together in the skillet using kitchen spray until golden brown, flipping them halfway. Set everything aside. In the same pan, saute kale with garlic powder and salt until wilted, then cover. Now, lightly spray another smaller pan with kitchen spray. Pour about 1/8 of the lentil batter onto the hot pan, spreading it out in a circular fashion. Cook each wrap for about 3 minutes on one side, and then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Assemble each wrap with the sauteed kale, seitan strips, and corn. Top with sriracha sauce, fresh coriander, and toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy your delicious wraps as a quick lunch or dinner. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy vegan recipes.